presence of oxygen is there, yeah, so it will be entering, so the pyruvate will be entering into the mitochondria, okay, and then it will be producing some of the products like this, yeah. Yes, okay. In, yeah, mostly, yeah, mostly, okay, it will be followed, yeah. But during the heavy exercises, or otherwise if you are lifting anything, okay, any objects, yeah, and then so the next day you will be having a pain, right? Okay, even athletes will also have the pain, right? Okay, what is the reason of the pain? Okay, so this is called as a lack of oxygen. So with the help of a, okay, lack of yeah, if there is no lack of oxygen, yes, what will be produced? Okay, and next to it, in the absence, complete absence of the oxygen which is happening in the east, what are all the products? Okay, you're going to answer, so you can guess. Okay, everyone. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. Yes. So is it visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Good evening. Okay. Yeah. From, yes, Raja Veni ID. Yes. Who has joined now?
Sadhana, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, Sadhana.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Very good evening. So yes, we are doing the activity. Okay. So here is the question. So glucose breaks down to pyruvate, and then absence of oxygen. So it will be producing some substance. Okay. We have to find it. And then lack of oxygen condition in muscle cells in human being and then other animals, it will be producing a B. And then so if presence of oxygen, yes, okay, if there is a presence of oxygen condition, it will be producing a C. Okay, we have to find out, yes, A, B, C. Okay, so here are the okay, options, children. So yes, you can, yeah, choose. Yeah, everyone. So Nabila, Sanjay, Pratyush, Divya, Nandana, every one of you. Yeah, Sanjay. Yeah, you can guess. You can guess. Everyone can guess. So it's an activity. Yeah. It's not the FT. Okay, it's an activity. Even if it is wrong, no issues at all. We are going to learn it.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D or B?
D.
D. Okay. So D. Yeah. So everyone, can I go with the D option itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. So let's check, everyone. Okay. So for the first one, yeah, so in the absence of a condition, so in absence of the oxygen, yes, it is happening in the east. Okay, it's happening in the east. Then absence, okay, so it's the respiration process which is happening in the absence of oxygen is called as anaerobic respiration. Okay, anaerobic respiration. And absence of aerobic respiration. Clear. And then so okay, so the products will be carbon dioxide will also be produced here, and along with that, okay, alcohol, okay, so this, yes, yeah, ethanol, okay, so yes, it will be produced. And one more thing is, okay, it's the energy, yeah, okay, ethyl alcohol or ethanol, carbon dioxide, okay, so ethanol, carbon dioxide, and then so what is the main thing, what is the main product here, which one has to be produced? Yes, yes, everyone. From the glucose, okay, from the food, or even in the advertisements. Yeah, yes, yes, Nabila. Yeah,
Energy.
energy. Yes, that's the correct answer. Okay, so it is energy. Okay, everyone. So the main product is the energy. Okay, so yes, it's the carbon dioxide. Yeah, so carbon dioxide will be produced, and along with that, okay, ethanol will be produced, and then the main product will be the energy. Okay, energy. So only in this, okay, so it's alcoholic. Yeah, so ethanol will be produced in the, yeah, okay, it is in the anaerobic, okay, respiration process, yeah, which is
Ma'am,
occurring in the mover organisms. Yeah, Nabila.
what is ethanol, ma'am?
Okay, so it is also yes, ethyl alcohol. Okay, yes, ethyl alcohol. Yeah, you know well about the alcohol, right? Alcoholic compound.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, yes, it is also produced. Okay, it is also produced as a, okay, byproduct. And next to it, It's the lack of oxygen. So before, okay, we will see the lack of oxygen condition. So we will, okay, so check here, presence of oxygen. Okay, presence of oxygen. So we'll have this one. Yeah, for example, okay, human being or so okay, human being example நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம் சரியா. Okay, carbohydrate. Yeah, carbohydrate. And then what is the digested form of a carbohydrate? If we are taking in carbohydrate food, yes, it will get converted or it will get digested into, yes, it will start with G.
Glucose.
Yeah, very good, Sanjay. Okay, it's the glucose. Okay, glucose. And then the glucose has to enter each and every cells of the body. Okay, so that the energy can be produced inside the cell. Okay, everyone. And then, so in the case of presence of oxygen, yeah, it will be entering into the mitochondria, and then it will be producing the carbon dioxide, okay, water, and then energy. Okay, in each and every cell. So these are the things will be produced. Yeah, so they are the byproducts of presence of oxygen or aerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic respiration. So okay, so if start from the, okay, starting, yeah, you should learn this, okay, yes, and understand it very clearly, because so every time we are receiving the question from the respiration part. Okay, children. Yeah, so next to it, ஓகே. இப்ப நீங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு வெயிட்ட, ஸோ இப்ப ஏதாவது நம்ம தூக்குறோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஆர் அதர்வைஸ் ஸோ ரன்னிங்லயா இருக்கலாம். ஓகே. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு ஹெவி ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் டே, யா இல்லைன்னா ஸோ கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு பார்த்தோம்னா யூ வில் ஹாவ் அ பெயின். ஐ மீன் ரைட்? ஸோ ஓகே, யாராருக்கெல்லாம் அந்த மாதிரி பெயின் ஃபீல் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க? மோஸ்ட்லி ஆல் ஆஃப் அஸ், ரைட்? எஸ் எவ்ரி ஒன்?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. And then, so what is the reason? Yes, why we are getting this cramps? Because, so yeah, if we want to run faster, okay, if we want to run faster, there should be the energy, right? Okay, energy இல்லைன்னா நமக்கு என்ன பண்ண மாட்டோம். So we shouldn't run, right? So நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, okay, எனக்கு எனர்ஜியே இல்லை, so that என்னை வந்துட்டு நடக்க வைக்காதீங்க, என்னால நடக்க முடியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், right? Okay, which means, yeah, for each and every actions, we need energy, right? We depend energy. Without the energy, we cannot, okay, do any, we cannot perform any type of a function. And yeah, if, okay, so if energy வந்து produce பண்ணணும், and then so energy produce ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா there should be the oxygen. Okay, there should be the supply of oxygen. Yeah, continually there should be the supply of oxygen. So why we are breathing? Because of, yeah, so since we, okay, our body have to, okay, it has to generate the energy with the help of oxygen. Okay, everyone. But so இப்போ வந்து, okay, so இந்த oxygen வந்து என்ன கண்டிஷன்ஸ்ல மாறிடும்? It is going to be, okay, yeah, from the presence of oxygen ல இருந்து it will be, okay, moving to the lack of oxygen. Oxygen level is lower. So that's why நம்ம வந்து ஃபாஸ்டா ஓடுறப்ப பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம மூச்சு வாங்குதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம், right? Yes, our breathing rate will be increased. As children, it is all because, yeah, okay, why? What is happening there in our body? So in order to produce the energy, yes, okay, it has to, yes, so the oxygen level has to be higher. But if we are doing, okay, any work, some, okay, something faster, yeah, so any heavy works, it needs, okay, so more, yeah, so oxygen, so it needs more oxygen. Okay, so it நிறைய எனர்ஜி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா நிறைய ஆக்சிஜனும் வேணும். So that, okay, maybe food வந்துட்டு food already இருக்கலாம் பாடியில, but to supply the oxygen, okay, so there will be the condition called lack of oxygen. In this lack of oxygen condition, yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, lactic acid will be produced. Okay, lactic acid will be produced. So it is another pathway, okay, the body will produces the energy. This is another pathway in which the body produces instant energy. Even in the advertisements you would have seen it, right? Okay, so glucovita அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற ஒரு இதுல வந்திருக்கும். Have you ever seen? Okay, so instant energy. So if you want to have the instant energy, and if there is a condition lack of oxygen, yeah, so our body will be producing our body cells, yeah, and then so it will be happening in our muscle cells. Okay, muscle cells, in our muscle cells lactic acid will be produced. Okay, everyone, so just imagine this is the lactic acid, and then so this accumulation, okay, so this lactic acid accumulation will be there in our each and every cells. Okay, for example, so இப்போ வந்து நான் இன்னைக்கு என்னோட ரைட் ஹேண்ட்ல ஏதோ ஒரு வெயிட் நான் தூக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன் அப்படின்றப்போ, so next day, yeah, so I will be having the pain in my right hand, right? Why? Because so there will be the lactic acid accumulation in each and every cells. Okay, children, because so this particular cells alone, so okay, so they have done the lack of oxygen. Okay, so they have done the anaerobic respiration in order to produce the energy. Okay, clear everyone. So here lactic acid will be produced along with energy. Okay, children, so here it's very simple. Okay,
Book a free demo class and join Pumpa to make your children topper.